Hey everyone, today I want to talk about testing your ketone levels. Why is it important to test your ketone levels? Because we want to keep you in that fat burning mode or state of ketosis as long as possible, all right? The longer you're in that state, the more fat you're burning, all right? And the best way to tell is by measuring your ketone levels. Because all of us mess up. We may eat, a few grams of carbs here, a few there. There's stuff hidden in the labels, and the best way to tell if you're still producing sufficient ketones is through the testing methods. How do I know when I'm in ketosis? Well, like I mentioned before, some physical signs may include smelly acetone breath, loss of appetite, or peeing like a racehorse as I do when I wake up in the morning. Most, if not all, these should subside once your body is producing enough ketones to technically be in ketosis. Most people get into ketosis after 2 to 3 days, as long as the diet is followed correctly, eating 75% fat, 20 protein, and no more than 5% carbs. You got this, all right? So now let's go on to testing methods. 3 general methods of testing to gauge your level of ketosis is the breath test, blood test, and urine test. The breath test I personally have not used, though it is a fairly reliable method. I have always just used the urine test with the strips. Buying the ketone test strips that you pee on, they're by no means an exact measuring method, but they're the simplest and cheapest version of testing to get a rough idea of what your ketone levels are at. The blood test is by far the most accurate, all right? It's also the most expensive, but I do recommend the Precision Extra, all right? So go ahead and check out the website for more details on the testing methods, the pros and the cons, and there you'll find links of where to buy them. So make sure you test, and so we can best help you. Stay in ketosis, burning fat all day long. We want to keep your energy levels high, because if your ketones are low, then that could be a reason why you're not feeling as energized as you need to. So if you have low energy, test the ketones, see where they're at, and assess from there.